HobbyPigsTV.
I want to be a king, like King Pig. I think I'm gonna try to get him. The thing might work. That will work. I'm gonna hit King Pig. 1, 2, 3. Hey, where'd they go? Hey, Fat Pig, what are you doing with that hammer? Nothing. Are you trying to be king again? No. Because you always start with the hammer. Oh my goodness, a giant kitty. Arr! Hello, kitty cat. How you doing? Here, let me pet you. Oh, you're so cute. So cute. Yes.
Ay.
Hey, can you eat King Pig? Punching him in the face. Wow, I just beated a kitty cat. This might work. Sexy. Woo! Ha, I made it. Oh no.
Sorry, we just don't have a license.
Just a little bit, okay? I'm going to use everything. I am their king. Attack! I'm the king. I'm the king. I'm the king. Not really. Still. He's not the king.
Yeah, he's not the king.
Good job, please. But these are birds. Yeah, we made a copy of the birds.
Bark.
Yeah. I really want pigs. Wait, I do have pigs. But I want pig. I want bird pigs. I should make some bird pigs. Yeah, I'm making a bird.
Yes, I made him.
Hey everyone, what's going on here? Oh no! Pig, there's birds. Why do they all look the same? That's weird. Whatever. Oh, I'm destroying my minions. Well, if I make birds, means that they'll beat all the pigs up.
Bark, pig, attack each pig.
Stop that hurt. You are my minions. You must listen to me. Stop eating me. Bark, we don't listen to piggies. We eat piggies. Stop it, that's annoying.
What is that?
You've forgotten. Okay, who saved my life?
We didn't know that we saved your life.
Who are you guys?
We are aliens and we've been stuck in this car for 3 years and we don't have a license.
Wow, that was a good idea to smash them. I'm sorry I made you go away. That's okay, I will smash you.
What?
Get in ball!